here this is my React project which I code through the VS Code, and now I'm going to discuss briefly about my VS Code. And then and here's the React folder, and all of my code is gone through the source folder, the public folder, and I deployed this project in the Netlify Google Firebase. That's why it didn't make through there. So this is the first source folder where I have components for home, incubator, learn, main page for the home page, and shared page for navbar or custom related. Here is the image folder also. At first I'm going to discuss my home page. Home page have the header, uh, header have few subfolder also. The folders included the featured page where I have coded through use effect and startups. The data mainly come from the JSON folder. So this JSON folder includes the data of the ID, logo, title, and description, location, etc. for the individual startups. And later here I have code bring here through call use state hooks, and then I use effect hook for loading data. And after loading data I have done mapping for go through the properties to load data dynamically. And here is the child props where I am putting the mapping data, and I use here the bootstrap for cart which is shown in my website for custom data. And later uh, this is the featured page and the header page, also home page. After completing this I have gone to the incubator, which is the basically our the brief description of our startups data, where I also have used font or some for icon. And here this is namely called startup data. Here again data from props also, and I use font or some here. And like so, after doing this I come to the learn page where I have some sub folder, also the featured course and the learn header, my course also, where I use link to go to the router from one page to another basically. And basically usually we have to do a lot of things here, because we can use MongoDB and Node.js for backend. Uh, Currently, as per requirement, I have done here only use data from our JSON file, but and I map through this. And I call my JSON file name single startup, but basically data should be stored in the database like MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Like so, either we can use blockchain also by writing smart contracts. I also enthusiastic about the smart contracts also. So we can use this fetch through RESTful API to loading data in our code. But currently I am using here JSON folder only, and there is a lot of scope to develop this, because it is a huge project. I think it will take some more times. 4 days is minimal time to do this. That's why I minimalistically doing all this to get covered. And that's all. Thank you.